If you love the flavor of real wood fire cooking and want to bring an authentic Argentine grilling experience to your backyard, this grill is seriously interesting. Today we're reviewing the Backyard Discovery Argentine Santa Maria Heritage Wood Fire and Charcoal Barbecue Grill, a heavy-duty outdoor grill designed for gaucho-style cooking, with adjustable grill heights, fire bricks, a stainless steel brasero, S-hooks for hanging meat, and an acacia wood prep table. But is this premium open fire grill worth adding to your backyard? Let's take a closer look. Unlike a standard gas or charcoal grill, the Santa Maria Heritage is designed around live fire cooking. You can burn wood or charcoal in the dedicated firebox, then control the cooking temperature by raising or lowering the grill grate. The grill provides approximately 723 square inches of cooking surface, giving you plenty of room for steaks, chicken, vegetables, sausages, and larger cuts of meat. It's aimed at serious backyard cooks who want more control over fire, heat, and cooking height rather than simply pressing a button and grilling. Let's start with the construction. The grill uses 12-gauge high-temperature powder-coated steel, designed for durability in an outdoor environment. The cooking system includes a heavy-duty 304 stainless steel grate frame and brasero, with the brasero designed to promote airflow and create the hot embers needed for wood fire cooking. One of the biggest highlights is the refractory fire bricks and ceramic fire insulation. These materials help retain and distribute heat more consistently, which is especially useful when you're cooking over a live fire. The signature feature is the Santa Maria-style adjustable grill grate. You can adjust the cooking surface from approximately 2 inches to 24 inches above the fire, giving you precise control for everything from high heat searing to slower cooking. There are also 4 stainless steel S-hooks, allowing you to hang sausages, ribs, chicken, or other cuts for traditional gaucho-style vertical cooking. The acacia wood side table and handles add useful prep space while giving the grill a more premium outdoor kitchen appearance. You also get a coal shovel and a protective cover, while the built app provides interactive assembly instructions. In terms of cooking versatility, this is where the Santa Maria design really stands out. Instead of moving food around different heat zones, you can change the distance between the food and the fire by adjusting the grate height. That makes it possible to quickly sear a steak close to the embers, then raise the grate for slower cooking. The fire brick insulation and dedicated brasero are designed to help maintain consistent heat, while the open fire design gives food that characteristic smoky flavor. Recent customer feedback is also encouraging. Home Depot currently shows 4.8 out of 5 stars from 112 reviews, with 96% recommending the grill. Recent owners praise its sturdy construction, heat retention, assembly experience, and cooking performance. The main consideration is size and weight. This is a substantial outdoor grill, not a portable backyard barbecue, so you'll want a dedicated space for it and help during setup. So, is the Backyard Discovery Argentine Santa Maria Heritage Grill worth buying? If you want an authentic wood fire and charcoal gaucho-style grilling experience, this is a very compelling option. You get heavy-duty steel construction, a 304 stainless steel brasero, fire brick insulation, adjustable cooking heights from 2 to 24 inches, S-hooks for hanging meat, an acacia wood prep table, and a large cooking surface. It's not designed for someone who simply wants the fastest or easiest way to grill dinner. It's for the backyard cook who enjoys building a fire, controlling heat manually, experimenting with different cooking heights, and creating authentic live fire meals. If that's your style of cooking, the Santa Maria Heritage could be an impressive centerpiece for an outdoor kitchen or entertaining area. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available deals, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more outdoor cooking gear, barbecue equipment, backyard products, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.